Hello, welcome to this video. I'm just going to take you through quickly the letter X. The letter X in Portuguese can be a bit of a rebel and it doesn't really seem to follow any rules. So let's just take a look at some of the familiar sounds that we get from the letter X. So the first one is going to be when it sounds like a Z or a Z for Americans. So in this case, this first word here is not going to be like English exactly. It's going to be more like a Z. Exato. Exato. This one, exercise, is going to be more exercício. Exercício. We can see there's an accent on that I, and that's where we stress it more. Exercício. Exigir. Exigir, to demand. Exorbitante. Exorbitante. So in these cases, it's sounding like a Z. Now you can see that, here it's an EXA, here it's EXE, here it's EXI, and here it's EXO. So we can't say that it's because of the vowel that follows it. It's just these words that are like this. So now if we look at the X sound when it sounds like a double S. Auxiliar. Auxiliar. Próximo. Próximo. A lot of people think that this is pronounced próximo, but it isn't. It's próximo. This is sounding like a double S here. Máximo. Máximo. It's not maximo, it's máximo. In some cases, it's going to sound just like an X in English. So, reflexo. Reflexo. And you can see here the sound in English is a C and a T, so it's kind of a similar reflect, reflexo. Afixar. Afixar. And of course the word taxi. Notice the accent here is telling us to stress this word on this particular syllable. Taxi. It's also opening that A, making it sound more like an A. Sometimes the X is going to sound like a sh. Oh, actually, that's supposed to be sh, not ch. Because I get mixed up sometimes because I'm speaking Portuguese all the time. So when I write a C and an H, I'm sometimes thinking it's pronounced sh. So that's the correct one there. So an X can sound like sh. If we take a look at this word here, paixão. Paixão. Caixa. Caixa. Faixa. Faixa. Baixo. Baixo. In some words, after an E, it's going to sound a little like eixo. So if we look at this word, sexto, so it's not sexto, it's sexto. Texto. Bissexto, which is used for a leap year. That's another story, actually. It's quite an interesting story about the word bissexto. It took me down a rabbit hole. Okay, so words that start in EX are often pronounced as eixo too. Often, you see, it's not all the time. Explicar. Exclamar. Extrair. Extenso. Explosão. That's it for now. Stay tuned. See you soon.